In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save songs to your file from Soundation on Chromebook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your finished track into a shareable audio file and store it where you need it. Start by opening your project inside the Soundation studio. Make sure the arrangement sounds the way you want, with levels balanced and effects dialed in, because exporting creates a new audio file of what you're hearing. Think of this as the final print of your mix. If you're happy with it, you're ready to export. Look for the export icon, which is usually on the right-hand sidebar of the studio. Click it to open the export options. This is where you choose the format for your song. If you want the highest quality, pick WAV at 16-bit. It's uncompressed, great for archiving or further editing, but it does result in a larger file. If you need a smaller file that's easier to share or upload, choose MP3. High-res MP3 at 320 kbps keeps more detail and is ideal for streaming or quick sharing, while low-res MP3 at 192 kbps saves even more space and is fine for simple demos. Keep in mind that MP3 and WAV export options may require an upgraded Soundation account, so if you don't see them, check your plan. After you select the format, the song will process, also known as rendering. Let it finish without closing the tab or putting your Chromebook to sleep. Larger projects with many tracks or effects may take a bit longer, so be patient and keep the browser window open. When the render completes, you'll be prompted to save. Choose whether to store the file in your Chromebook's local files or directly to Google Drive. Pick a folder you'll remember and give the file a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Including the project name and a version number or date can help you stay organized as you make updates over time. If you need only part of the project, you can export individual pieces. Right-click on a specific clip to select Export Clip as WAV, or right-click a channel to use Export Channel as WAV. This is perfect for isolating vocals, drums, or any instrument you want to share or process separately. That's it. Open the file from your chosen location to confirm it plays correctly, and you're done. Enjoy your finished track and keep your versions organized so you can build on your creativity with confidence.